Hi there, this video is to explain how to calculate by experiment the internal resistance of chemical batteries. We've got three AA batteries, 1.5 volts connected in series to give a nominal output voltage of 4.5 volts. At the moment, circuit loop has been broken, so there's zero current flowing. Open circuit voltage 4.76. 270 ohm load, which is not connected at the moment. Got open circuit voltage, which we need to record so that we can work out the internal resistance of each of those batteries. Zero current flowing. All voltage sources have some form of internal resistance. So we want to calculate what that internal resistance is by experiment. So what we're going to do now is we are going to complete the circuit by putting the wire between the pillars. That's timed out, we'll time it back on. So we've now got a voltage drop. We went from 4.76, we'll round this off, 4.71, and we have 16.57 milliamps, we'll call it 16.5 milliamps flowing. That does make sense from the projection from Ohm's law. Ohm's law would suggest with a voltage of 4.5 and a resistance of 270 ohms, we should have a current flowing round of 16 milliamps, which is what we've got. So what we've now done is the load completes the circuit loop. So current flows out of the battery through the wires into the load and back to the source. So we now need to do a calculation. The calculation that we're going to do, Kirchhoff's law tells us the voltage drop across the internal resistance plus the voltage drop across the load. If we add those two figures together, they must add up to be the battery voltage, the open circuit voltage, to conform with physical laws, Kirchhoff's laws. To work out the internal resistance, we take the battery voltage minus the load voltage, if we rearrange this equation, and divide it by the current flowing, Ohm's law of voltage divided by current to get the resistance. Based on our numbers, we take 4.76 minus 4.71, divide that by the current flowing, which is 0.0165 amps, as in 16.5 milliamps. We have a voltage difference of 0.05 volts. If we divide 0.05 by 0.0165, we get 3 ohms. So because we've got 3 batteries in series, that would indicate by measurements that each of those batteries have got an internal resistance of 1.0 ohms. Thank you for watching. I hope that's been informative. We can see that the voltage now has dropped a little bit. Why would it drop? That's because we're dissipating energy in the resistor, so we're using up some of the chemical energy in the batteries. Thank you for watching. Please leave comments below.